All right, quick video. It's gonna be quick. 2010 Traverse. The starter. I thought the starter was bad, but it seems to be a common problem with these things. It wasn't the starter. It was in flywheel teeth. And getting two, and it's chewed up in several places. Got some Loctite spilt. But we managed to get this one off. You don't have to have a lift to get it. You can get it. Jack her up, drop the cradle down, and if you pull just right, you've got about that much room to work. It's room enough to get your hand in there. Drop your cradle just on the driver's side. Put your cradle down, loosen the passenger side up. Take your steering sector loose over there. You got to pull this axle out from the passenger side. It's gonna make a mess. It made a mess all on our floor, but you can do it without having to pull everything. And so far, we're probably 3 hours in on this, and we're finna put it back together. But there is another way. We used a ratchet strap. We hooked it to the transmission, went around. We got a jack on the tranny to hold her up, and we managed to pull it over enough to get in there to work. But what a horrible design. We always work on these old cars where the starter goes bad because the starter teeth are softer than the flywheel teeth. But not these new ones. Well, they made it extra hard. All right, maybe this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.